Hi everyone, good morning students. In today's lecture, we are going to start lesson number 5 from your English reader textbook, While the Auto Waits by O. Henry. Let's have a brief discussion about O. Henry. William Sidney Potter, popularly known by his pen name O. Henry, means to say the original name of O. Henry was William Sidney Potter, but he was known by his pen name O. Henry. He was born in 1862 and died in 1910. He was a famous American short story writer who wrote about 600 stories. His stories are known for his wit, wordplay, and surprise ending. They include stories such as The Gift of the Maggie, The Skylight Room, and The Green Door. Several of his stories have been made into films, which include The Ransom of Red Chief, Ruthless People, The Sacrifice, and His Duty. In honor of O. Henry, a prestigious American award called the O. Henry Award is given annually to exceptionally good short stories. Moreover, a spoken word competition called the O. Henry Pun-Off takes place every year at the O. Henry Museum in Austin, USA. Okay, so this was all about O. Henry. Now, before we move on towards the reading, let's study the keywords, means difficult words of the chapter first. So, see the first one, twilight. The meaning of twilight is the time between sunset and nightfall. Next is meshed. Meshed means having the form or appearance of a mesh or net. Hovering, stay close at hand in an uncertain. Next is gallant, means chivalrous or courteous, means to say, we can say heroic or brave. Next is air, a particular feeling or impression. Then interrupt, means to say something that makes somebody stop speaking. Offend, to hurt someone's feelings, किसी को नाराज करना. Fascinating, extremely interesting and attractive, means किसी को, means captivating, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा attractive होता है. Throbbing, beating, मारना. Holly of Hollies, regarded as the most special. Weary, tired. Marionettes, means puppets, Kathputli. Next is connoisseur. Connoisseur means an expert in something. जो पारखी होता है, in Hindi its meaning is पारखी, जो हर चीज़ को जानने में एक्सपर्ट हो. Royalty, the member of a royal family. Novelties, new and unusual things. Fad, craze, एक fashion. Whim, a sudden desire to do or have something. Inner circle, a small group of people within a larger group who have a lot of power, influence, or special information. Elite, a group of rich and powerful people in the society. Next is besieged, means surrounded. Suitors, man who want to marry a particular woman. Principality, a country ruled by a prince. Marquis, an European man of high rank. Next is diabolical, means extremely bad or unpleasant. Befits, means suits. Enthused, having been filled with enthusiasm. Next is lowly station, a low social class. Commoner, a person who is not from a royal family. Then scandal, talk or reports about something considered shocking or immoral by the peoples. Fortune, a large amount of money or property. Next is suspicious, doubtful, start, a quick sudden movement of the body because of surprise or fear. Automobile, American word for a car. Running gear, a vehicle's moving part like the wheels and the steering. Chauffeurs, means personal drivers. Monograms, two or more letters of somebody's name made into a logo. Next is flustered, means nervous and confused. Nini, a stupid person. Paycheck, a salary check. Airs, pretensions affected manner intended to impress others. Next is hallucinating, means seeing, hearing, feeling or perceiving something that does not exist. Intrude, to go into a place or situation in which you are not wanted, एक ऐसी जगह जाना जहाँ आप जाना नहीं चाहते हैं. Auto means car. So these were the keywords from the chapter While the Auto Waits.